how to live stream mobile games on Twitch. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to stream on Twitch directly from your mobile device. This works for both Android and iOS. So make sure to watch till the end and let's get started. First, install the Twitch app from App Store or Google Play Store. Once installed, launch the app and log into your Twitch account. Now tap on the profile icon and go to the Creator Dashboard option. This switches you into creator mode. At the bottom of the screen, tap the plus button. You'll now see two options: Stream Games or Stream All. Choose the one you want. In this case, we'll choose Stream Games. Now select the game you want to stream, like Mobile Legends or any other game. Then tap Next. You'll see some tips and info. Go ahead and read them. Then tap Next again. Now set up your stream. Enter a stream title like Game with or for friends. Tap Edit Stream Info to customize tags, notifications, and more. You can also adjust microphone volume and device audio so your voice and game sound are balanced. You'll also find an option to save your past broadcasts, which is helpful if you want replays. Once you're ready, tap Start Stream, then Start Broadcast. Make sure your microphone is on if you want to speak during the stream. Now switch to your game. The stream will automatically rotate with your phone. You'll also be able to view your live chat while playing. When you're done, open your control center and tap the stop button to end the stream. And that's it. You're now streaming live on Twitch from your mobile. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more mobile tips. That's all for the video.